How to get rid of diabetes. The scientific proof behind this method that reverses type 2 diabetes in 9 out of 10 people, and you can decide yourself if it's worth it. And even if you succeed in only improving your blood sugar levels, I urge you to give it a try. Because that alone can add a decade to your life. When you free yourself of diabetes type 2, you will transform your entire life. Just imagine. No more worries about horrific, life-ending conditions caused by diabetes. No more panic attacks about falling into a diabetic coma and waking up with brain damage. No more blowing thousands of hard-earned dollars a year on meds that cause bloating, kidney problems and failure to perform in the bedroom. No more waking up from nightmares, drenched in sweat about having your leg hacked off. System super simple and quick by giving people simple daily juice recipes with the exact quantities of vegetables, fruits and herbs containing the phytonutrients they needed to ignite the diabetes reversing mechanism inside them. By drinking these juices for breakfast or lunch, they started reversing their diabetes type 2 on the very first day. The potent phytonutrients in their juices protected them from dangerous ceramides and dissolved the dangerous white fat deposits. Today, people all over the world are using this solution to get rid of type 2 diabetes. This simple system is saving lives and changing the well-being of entire families. The simplicity of this solution will amaze you. By visiting the link below to find the solution for you.